Today, I'm cooking a delicious sambal long beans with pork belly. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of long beans, washed and clean. Later on, I will cut it into 1-inch length. 350 grams of pork belly. I recommend using the soft part of the pork belly with a bit of fat for a great taste. 3 pieces of red chili, 1 stalk of lemongrass, 200 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 8 pieces of kuah cilo chili or chili kering besar. Soak in hot water for 20 minutes or until soft. 4 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, 1-inch nub of fresh turmeric, 3 cloves of garlic, 8 pieces of shallots, half tablespoon of belacan or shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon of dry shrimp, 2 tablespoons of tamarind water, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We start with marinating the pork belly with salt. Put and rub 3/4 teaspoon of salt on the pork and keep the rest for later. Leave it aside. Next, cut the long beans. I like to cut slanting into 1.5-inch length. This is what it should look like. Alright, these are the beans that we have cut and washed. Leave it aside. Next, blend the sambal. Put all of the ingredients in the blender. Garlic, turmeric, shallots, dry shrimp, shrimp paste or belacan. For the lemongrass, cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. Put it in the blender. And the red chili. For the kuah cilo chili, remove the dry stem first before cutting. Put in about 100 ml of water for easy blending. Alright, now we can blend the sambal. This is what it looks like. The sambal is really fine. We still have 1 more red chili, which I will cut and sprinkle onto the sambal. Cut it into thin strips. For kaffir lime leaves, cut it into half and put it together with the chili. Now we can cook it. Switch on the heat to medium. Add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. All of the sambal that we have just blended. And kaffir lime leaves. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the sambal is getting dry. Add in all of the tamarind water, sugar, the balance of the salt, and fish sauce. Stir and continue to cook the sambal for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the sambal is cooked and is well combined. It is getting dry again. Add in the pork belly and stir until it is coated with the sambal. Add in 50 ml of water. Continue to stir. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover the wok and cook for 8 minutes. In between, please come back and stir, as it might burn at the bottom of the wok. After 8 minutes, see, the pork belly has released some juice and the sambal is just nice and not too dry. Add in the long beans and red chili. I leave a bit for garnishing later on. Give it a stir until long beans are coated with sambal. Raise the heat to high Continue to stir for about 3 to 4 minutes or until long beans are cooked and crunchy. You may continue to cook it longer, about 5 to 7 minutes, if you prefer long bean to be softer. Add in about 50 ml of water as the sambar is slightly dry. Alright, after about 3.5 minutes, the pork belly and the long beans are cooked perfectly. Now I can give it a taste. Oh wow, so delicious, very fragrant. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already perfect. Finally, sprinkle the fresh kaffir lime leaves and a bit of red chili for more fragrance. Alright, the delicious and simple meal is ready. Let's dish out and serve. This is best served with white rice. Let's eat! Oh wow, so good! The pork belly is soft and tasty. Long beans are crunchy. The sambal is so fragrant and it is not spicy at all. A perfect dish for family dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.